Hello, welcome back to Shanette for Life. I am going to be showing you how I made this chickpea salad sandwich, and it turned out so delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos. I start off by using 2 cans of the 15-ounce garbanzo beans / chickpeas, and I put them in a bowl, and I using my potato masher to smash them as so. I am now going to be slicing up my vegetables, and I'm using 1 stalk of celery, and I'm using some green onions, and I'm also going to use some grapes. I'm now going to be adding in the chopped up ingredients to the smashed chickpeas. And then I'll be putting in the remainder of the ingredients. And those ingredients that I'm going to be using is going to be spicy brown mustard, regular mustard, black pepper, salt, poultry seasoning, and some dill weed. And now I'm going to take a spoon and mix up everything really well. Wow, it almost looks like tuna fish. And now I'm going to take a taste of it to see how it tastes. Perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys on my next upload.